Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can stake TIA and be eligible for the airdrops, and also see how we can maximize our rewards on TIA. So there will be two different ways to stake TIA so we can maximize our rewards. So let's get started with it already. Let me bring my laptop screen over here so I can tell you how we can do it. For that, just simply open up Kepler. And in case if you are wondering what Kepler is, then you will be able to find the Kepler tutorials on our channel itself and how you can create Kepler wallet and everything about it. So just load your Kepler wallet with TIA. After that, click on this option of staked at the top, and now click on this option of stake with Kepler dashboard. It will redirect you to this particular page. Now, in case if you have TIA, then it will be shown over here as this way. Now just simply click on this option of TIA and you get 16.18% APR, and now it will ask you to select validator. You can select any of the validator over here, but make sure that you select someone with less commission, because higher commissions can reduce your profits. So it's better to go with someone who has lower commission rate, and the lowest over here is 5%. So you can go with someone who has 5% commission rate and not more than that. I personally staked with imperator.co, and I only staked some part of my TIA from this wallet, and you can maximize your participation by participating through different wallets, and whenever your different wallets will get eligible for the airdrop, you will be earning huge airdrops. So after selecting a particular validator, just click on this option of a stake, and now it will ask you to type the amount, but make sure that you keep some TIA with you in order to pay the fees. Otherwise, in case if you select max, chances are there that you might not even have the funds to pay the fees and you won't be able to stake. That's why it's better to keep some TIA in a spare to pay the fee. After that, just simply click on this option of a stake and you would be able to stake, and quite easy. This is how you will be eligible for the airdrops. Now, in case if you want to stake TIA on Milky Way, it is actually a different platform. So you just have to open up Milky Way zone, but make sure that you are on a correct website, because there are so many scams out there, and just be careful while opening up different websites. You might end up losing your funds. So it's better to be careful. So on Milky Way, you will be able to find the way to stake TIA. Just type the amount and you would be able to stake TIA. Just click on this option of a stake and you would be able to stake. Here the APR is 14.4%, and in place of staking TIA over here, you will get the Milk TIA or Milky Way TIA on your Kepler wallet itself. Now you can use this particular Milk TIA to provide liquidity on Osmosis and earn even more rewards, but that's quite risky. If you don't know about the impermanent loss and you don't know about other provisions related to liquidity providing, then don't participate in liquidity. Otherwise, you will end up losing your funds. So just get yourself aware of this particular situation of impermanent loss. Otherwise, it's quite risky. So even if you don't participate in liquidity, you will still be getting eligible for the airdrop. This way you would be eligible for the Milky Way's airdrop also. It's just like the Jito Sol that happened on Solana website, and people earn as much as $10,000 to $15,000 for just staking one Solana. So you can see the potential of this particular airdrop also. So it's better to take our chances in order to maximize our potential of earning huge rewards. And this is how you participate for the TIA's airdrop. I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such videos on different airdrops from different platforms, then just subscribe to our channel and also like this video if this video helped you. Take care and see you in the next video.